Injection NoSpa, also known by its generic name Drotaverene, is a medication used to treat various conditions like abdominal pain and menstrual cramps. It works by relaxing the muscles in the walls of blood vessels and the uterus, helping to improve blood flow and reduce pain. So, if you're dealing with uncomfortable cramps or spasms, NoSpa might just be the solution you need. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new medication. When it comes to injections, NoSpa is a game changer. This medication is used to treat painful muscle spasms and cramps by relaxing the muscles. Whether it's due to exercise, injury, or a medical condition, NoSpa can provide relief and improve your quality of life. So, next time you're dealing with muscle discomfort, remember that NoSpa could be the solution you need.